Little update. The bees are on clean-up. I had to take a lot of frames out of that hive, the narrow stacked hive, because they'd all collapsed. The heat and the weight of the bees just made the combs collapse. So there, I've extracted what only I could and they're cleaning it up. But it's chaos out here. It's like a swarm. I've got 2 hives ready now to move. That hive's getting crazy as well. So once that's calmed down, give it a couple of nights, hopefully they'll all go back in there, and then I'll move them. And same with the one in the corner. We took a box of honey off them, so we'll move them as well. So it'll just be the big layens which we can move up the corner. It's alright having hives in your garden, but when they get big like that, and like that one in the corner there, as you can see, there's too much bees for your garden. Way too much bees for your garden. There's just bees flying everywhere. So, to save the neighbours and everybody, I'm just going to have the one hive in the garden. So we'll be looking for a apiary closer to town. Another site. Well, them two have got the farm and the rest, and then that's probably maximum up there. So I might film when I move them, because I've got to move them 2 big ones in the panda. So that'll be fun. They're big colonies. Anyway, I'll show you what my honey, the results of the honey. There was quite a bit really. I need to nip up the farm and get 5 super frames to go in the top of that hive and swap them for 5 deeps up there. Yeah, let these calm down for a bit.